In this lesson, I want to explain a simple setting in camera. It's called in detail near and far clipping. For example, look at here. For example, you have a landscape here and this is your camera. This is from the lens of the camera. We have near clipping and the far clipping. If you add a number to the far clipping, for example, far clipping line comes here, and from this line to this way, you cannot see. They are clipped. If you set a near clipping, for example, from the lens to this line, give a number, this area is clipping, and you can see this area. And as you can see, this is our landscape. This is near clip and this is a far clip. It's clipping everything that the camera is seeing. Let's look at the example here. We give a simple landscape. Oh, this is our camera. Make a landscape bigger. Going to our camera, it's inside, come back. And from here, let's change the camera near clipping. It's near clipping means 0 centimeter. It means you can see everything from camera lens to far. And if you manually change this number, a line will be created from the lens to this specific number that you are going here. I think I have to take a higher number. And as you can see, near clipping is happening. Change the number, and as you can see, it's depend on your screen project size. And as you can see, this number is exactly from your lens to this line, that is far near clipping. You can activate far clipping, make it a little number. Oh, as you can see, now this is a far clipping. From lens to this distance, we have a section line that you cannot see everything from this line, from the lens to this line, distance to the far of the camera. And because of the near clipping, you cannot see this area that's selected to the lens of the camera. You can just see the area in between those clipping. So you can create some interesting effects with this camera if you want. That's it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.